Hi! Hello! Hi, I don't know where to put you right now, I'm sorry. My camera is charging, so I'll have to film this intro. Wow.
Few moments later.
So yesterday I posted on Instagram my take on the Renaissance trend that's really popular on TikTok right now. And you guys really liked it and you asked me how I did it. And honestly, I did not follow 100% the same format as the one on TikTok because that one requires an app called Videolip. It's only available for iPhones and I don't have a freaking iPhone, I have a Sony Xperia, the most unpopular phone on the market. So I was like, fuck that, I'm gonna do it my way. And this is why I hesitated. I did not film a tutorial from the start. I only do this now because I wanted to try it again and also because you requested it. My way is very complicated. I don't know if I will explain it properly because I did not follow any tutorials. I just did what I usually do when I edit. I use the app Photoshop and Premiere for the video editing. And honestly, I'm gonna show you and try to explain it as best as I can. Right now I'm applying the makeup because I want to look like a painting goddess. First one I did wasn't Renaissance, from the Renaissance era, it was from the Romanticism era. And now I'm gonna do a pre-Raphaelite one. So it's, again, it's not truly the Renaissance era, but if you want to do it like that, you can easily do it and implement different Renaissance elements. It's pretty easy. You can do whatever you want. You can. I don't think I'll add anything else. That's fine. So yeah, let's start creating. Okay, so today we're going for the Lady of Shalott. I'm very excited to try it out. I want to just cover all this area with a bed sheet. Here is my photo set. I have some fabrics, different colors, different textures, and I'm gonna take the photo over there in the mirror. So yeah, let's start with the outfit. This is my outfit as best as it can get. I think this is the only thing that resembles the painting. Oh well, let's try and take the photo now. I mean the video, sorry. Okay, so I'm trying from another angle and I'm doing a second painting that is Ophelia. Wow, what was that zooming? I finished the photo shoot, video shoot, so I ended up doing 3 pre-Raphaelite paintings. I really like my sets today, my clothes and my makeup, so I didn't want them to go to waste. I was like, let's just milk this, you know. But if they turn out okay, that would be perfect. Okay, so I just put the video I had on Premiere. I chose the one that I liked from the 3 I shot and I cut it just a few seconds before I take the pose, so I just keep the little clip that I like and then I take a screenshot of the pose that I like the most, mainly at the end of the video. After that I add it on Photoshop and I select the background from the painting. I just select everything apart from the lady in the picture. And so I keep trying to imitate the colors and the textures. I try to add some more clothing to make me feel like I am in the painting and not just a 2D kind of thing. And then I try to match even more to the painting by deleting any imperfections. This is self-explanatory. I don't know why I narrate this, you can see it obviously. So after that I just try to match the colors. I do some color correction and I try to match the colors of the painting as best as I can, the lighting, the shadows. And so I don't know what else to say on this. You just work it through until you are pleased with the result. Yeah, so after that I decided to add a canvas weird layer. I just googled canvas texture on Google Images and this came up. I had the photo on Picsart because this is what they originally did with the Renaissance challenge on TikTok. And I just add oil painting, poster and pastel, and I put it at like 65%, 70 visibility. And yeah, here you can see I kind of look like I am a painting. And so now that the photo is done, I add it on Premiere. I add it at the point where I want the photo to start sliding. And what I do is, if you can see on the left, sorry if you're watching this on the phone, but I basically choose mask. I choose a rectangular shape and I put it all over the frame. And what I do after that is zoom out so that I will have my canvas very, very small to move it around, and I put it upwards. I put the photo up and then I press the tracking button so that it will start moving with the duration of the video, and I go at the end of the video and I just slide it all the way down, and basically this creates 2 time marks. And yeah, you can get this rolling effect without using any fancy apps from the Apple Store. Yeah, so that's that. I also flipped it. I forgot to say that because this is the right angle that the original painting had, and I did some more paintings because it was really fun. Again, I used exactly the same things. Some of these turned really good, some of these not that much. For example, this one is not my best one, but hey, it was really fun. And yeah, that is all that I can say for this. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!